1, 2. Hey, how'd it go? How'd it go? How'd it go? How'd it? Try it again. 1, 2. Well, hello. How's it going? Welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel with another episode of Dickin around in the shed. Now run that intro. This episode is brought to you by Sling Mod and the Blue Bike and Doyle channel because I had to buy it. You think they'd have, well, I don't know how long it's been on there. Anyway, this is from Sling Mod. It's the Accessory power harness deal. And I'm just going to need some plugs out of this. They say you just kit separate so you can add more lights and stuff. And they say you the main harness and then you plug and play. And really that's all you need, right? Let's see what all you got here. You got 2 of those. 2 of the wires. 2 of the wires. You got 2 of those main things, I guess. So you can split them off. Oh, man. Huh. And this plugs into this. Yep. Anyway, we'll figure it out. How it works and why it works, the way it works, and all that good stuff. But this is what I need. Believe it or not, I'll show you what it's doing. Or what it's not doing, I should say. You ever notice how one simple little project turns into a bigger project? Which really wasn't a bigger project if I didn't have CRS. And I had a yellow wire that was tied into these that ran up here, and I don't know what it was. I don't remember where it went. I got up here and found out that it was just cut right here and taped up. So I don't remember what it was for. But anyway, all the lights working. I got to put this back in. I made a new plug, put a new end on it. So where that wire pulled loose, where I tied in that yellow wire for whatever reason I did it for. I don't remember. But let me plug all these lights up and we'll see. I'll show you it works. Alrighty then. Well, now we got that all took care of. Contact. Yep, is they all white? They are all white. They are all white, y'all. They all white. Oh, me. On both sides, as you can see. Yep. And we'll just put the flashers on. And they all yellow. See, on both sides. So if you ever run into that problem that your lights ain't switching from white to yellow, then it's that box. It's this box right here. Then you got to buy the whole kit, unless you can track down, trace. Let's see what's in this thing. How about that? All right. Well, let's see. Can you see me? Can you see this? This is what I snapped it off, and it's a. Well, it's just that. It's just some kind of resistor or something. You know what? It done broke anyway. It done broke anyway. One way to do it. So that's just some kind of waterproof stuff on that side. So anyway, this little box probably gets hot somehow, switches back and forth. All that for just to turn white to yellow. Alright, well, we know what's in that now. Alright, well, I was going to show you. Anyway, I might do something later. But I got to put all this side covers, and then I got to fix that light on this side. What's the fun part is I got to do all them zip ties. All that right in there. I got to fix all that wiring mess so it won't get tangled up. And there ain't enough room for me and you both. Well. As you can see, all the lights are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Yellow to white. And blinking and searing. They was all just working 5 seconds ago. Okay, I fixed it. It was a loose plug, I guess. Yeah, these dielectric grease. They all working now. Yay. Well, if you ever know what's wrong with your blink, want to know why your whites ain't going yellow and you know blinking, it's this plug right here. Man. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you come to VAM July the 10th to the 12th. You go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button on the here, and next time I guess we'll do an oil change on the pickup truck. Later. I'm beat. Go get me some Alma.